News in 1 minute, guys. Welcome back. News in 1 minute. Uh, we'll trade after the news only. I'm thinking there would be a sideways market if the rate cut is same. So let's hope what will happen. I will be seeing this just in 20 seconds. We have the news. We can have a very big candle, probably till here. If the basis point cut is 50 points, or else we'll have a dump if no cut is done. Let's see what happens. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm in buying, by the way. Let's see what happens. Uh, Let me see the news. What is the rate cut? Pending, still pending. Market reacting to it. Upside, as I told you, upside. No, done, guys. 425, as predicted. Let's go, guys. Let's go. But yeah, as you can see, there is not a lot of. I mean, it's a good movement. As you can see, it's a good movement. As I told you, I'm been buying only. This trade is done. So I'm currently in this trade, buying ka. But there can be liquidity sweeps. So wait for it. Wait for it. Mhm. Liquidity sweeps. But just selling a liquidity sweep has happened. Oh damn! Selling a liquidity sweep has happened. Let's wait for this. Nice, nicely done. Okay. Not expect that, but okay, our buying level has tapped. This is our buying level. Let's see how it holds up to be. Damn. Damn, that was fast. Huh? What is happening, guys? 200 pips up in 2 seconds. Damn, my order got executed. Let me see. This level was marked in the Telegram as well. 650 level it was. Damn, guys. Damn. I mean, I know my stop loss got hit in here on buying, but this trade went to the moon. That is the real liquidity sweep. Wow. Uh, yeah, expecting. Wait, DXY. Yeah, this is falling. Of course. Um, Hold it, guys. Hold it. I mean, I am expecting this to go till 750, as I told you. This 750, 755 level. So I'm holding this. I don't know if you are or not. See how precise we are with our levels. This is what level is this? This is the. I think I marked this level just a while ago. Uh, this is so much precise the level. There's an auto block there. It's a 50 to 60% level also. What the hell, guys? Let's go. 400 pips up from that level. Come on, guys. Let's go. What the fuck have we done? I'm just seeing my SL got hit here, just 40 pips, and this trade is running 650. Say I've bought 651, I think. So I'm running very positive, guys. It's awesome because 400 pips. We are capturing 400 pips in less than 5 minutes. Let's go, guys. Expected move. Liquidity has been taken. The selling move has come, and our level has been tapped. And there it is. It was a significant line, and this was a significant level of interaction that we had. And, damn, Let's go, guys. Let's hold it. If you are in this trade, hold it because this can go till this 800 pips. I'm easily willing to capture this. This can be easily captured. Lifetime opportunity, guys. What have you done? Perfect level, perfectly working. I can't give you any insight now if you're not entered in this trade. This was already marked level. If you are entered in this trade, then you are up 400 pips, still running 400 pips, and I know it will go till this. Even these trend lines I have marked. It can breach that also. It has a lot of volume. It can do that. But you should be able to book some of your profits. So I've entered with a bigger quantity here because it was a limit order. So I will book at least half of my quantity at this high. Is this good? Let me see higher time frames if there is any auto blocks or market structure that I'm missing. It could be this market structure. This market structure is also there. It's okay, 700 market structure and fine. So I think we can book a 50% or 698. This would be my 50% booking level. And if you want to buy, guys, buying, it's very difficult to say where to buy because all this 400 pips ka range, where do I tell you to buy, right? But profit booking, I can tell you this could be our first profit target, which we can book at least 30 or 40% or 50% of our targets. I know, so that is why news trading, as I told you, is a little, it was a risky trade, and I took it. I didn't tell you to take it, so that is why you didn't take that one. But this one was the greatest level that we have marked, and I knew key that could be the only level where market could go from. And yeah, perfectly marked. No? I marked it for 400 pips, and but I think after the market situation, it can go to 800 pips easily. And it's FOMC, so of course, why not, right? So target book at here 50%. 50% booking at 400 pips is 200 pips per trade if you can assume with that. Perfectly done actually. Nicely done, guys. Uh, I am going to book it. So I'm going to book 40% of my quantity. I have booked it, guys. I have booked it uh, at that level only. I booked it at a 50%. I booked 50% because I took it a little higher quantity than I wanted to. But you can hold, expecting target till here, 729, 730. I think it should be easily reached. It has a lot of volume. Gold has a lot of volume. Do you want to see where my trade got executed? You will be thrilled. I want to show you my PNL right now. Perfect trade, guys. Very perfect trade. Book your quantities. Book your 50% of quantities here. We are up 500 pips. 500 pips. We are up with a risk of 60 pips. We took a risk of 60, 64 pips, and we are up 500 pips. It is 1 is to almost 1 is to 9, 1 is to 8 cut rate, right? So book 50% of your quantities, guys. Mm, let me also book. Yeah, I booked it. I'm just waiting. Set my targets. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All time high. All time high, guys. Gold all time high. Hold it, hold it. We're there. Biggest trade of our lives, as we discussed. 800 pips in a single trade. Nobody can give you this. Let's go, guys. The closing happened above. Perfect closing. Intermediate entering, I would say, would be there will be a lot of volatility. It can come here and also bounce back to here. So whoever entered here, I probably don't have anything to worry about. But whoever is not entered, they definitely have something to worry about. Right. Hmm, let's see, guys. 5 minutes में ही मचा दिया. Okay, there will also be this guy, Powell, is talking in a bit of time, I think, right? So that will also be there. FOMC at 12 a.m. But by then, I think our target should be reached because I don't want to be there when he's speaking because he could be telling anything and the market could do what we didn't expect it to do. So I won't want to be in that position. But as I'm telling you guys, this would be the profit level to take it. This would be the highest profit that I would want to see. But even though 750 is a greater selling level for me, as I feel, but this would be my first profit taking level. And when it comes to 750 in the same day, I might try to sell with a little bit of quantity. That's all. But this would be my intermediate target. This would be my full profit booking target. Okay, as simple as that, guys. Uh, whoever entered, at least over here also, because there was a trade, 60% ka trade, yeah, 60%, just here only. If you had a 60% ka limit order there, you still are up by a lot of pips, by 450 pips, 450 pips. So it was classic trade. You could have done easily, and yeah, perfect, guys. Lost 40 pips, and I lost 40 pips, but क्या ही हो गया market में. So entry for you guys would be from intermediate levels only, but it's a lot riskier than you think. From this order block you can do. Let me check. Uh, from this order block you can enter actually. Uh, but it would be risky, as I told you. The market could do anything at this point because the volatility is very high. Would this be captured? Still in doubt. We wait for this market structure. This would be better. Hmm, no, I think from here only maybe. Yes. Could risk, but with a very small quantity. If it comes back to these levels, you can risk it. But let's see 1 minute, no? Because 1 minute pay, we don't think the 1 minute pay will do anything, but from 1 minute only it will fly some of the times, most of the times. 1 minute also saying wait for it. Okay. this level, guys, risk is, as I told you, will be very high. Can't give you tight stop losses like these when it's moved this many pips. No, so it's a little bit difficult for me to do that. But I think it's coming to the level. If you want to try, you can try. Will be a risky trade, of course. Uh, ये risky trade. मतलब normally the stop loss should be here, but let's see. I don't think. Okay, guys. Be alerted. With very small quantity, we can scalp a little bit towards the buy side. Okay. Let's see DXY also. DXY. This is expected. मतलब DXY will. Yeah, guys. Entry is activated for the people who want to enter. For let's wait for a minute because this market structure. Wait for this market structure. Entry is active. Let's wait for this market structure. At least 50%. Entry is active, but let's for wait. It's very fast. No, it's very fast. In this, even if you've taken here also, it's a very faster market. Market structure it has not reached. But this was a very good trade, guys. But we just missed it because, as I told you, stop loss would be high for this one. Let me take out this. Why am I seeing this? Take this out. So this trade, I told you, will have a bigger stop loss. We had to give that. I mean, if you had given that, I think it would probably be upside. But let's see what this will do. Mhm. Wait, what? 5 minutes. There's an engulfing candle, which I don't like. Okay. Mm, it's an engulfing candle. I do not like this one. So let's see 15 minutes come. I think 15-minute candle open just now. Uh, just opened. Looks like a wick could go down. Mm. But I have booked my 50%. Let's see how the market reacts from here. Does as of now, entering from anywhere in except here is a little risky. And after this, now, okay, that's fine. Well, because after this red candle, which will form in just 2 minutes, after this red candle, uh, I'm expecting a bigger green candle, right? Because to see to say it satisfied that one, this order block. So I think in a bit we'll see what I'm saying. So let's hope it comes to this level. Maybe this. Mm, we don't want it to form a green candle at this point because if it forms a green candle, then we have it a red candle to form. So if it forms a red candle, we can probably buy from at least this low to here to the upside. So all-time high will be reached regardless of whatever you and I are thinking. It's already reached. It already closed above the last all-time high. So I have no the closed above in 5 minutes, of course, but still think it will go up only. There's no. restrictions for gold to come down. But I want this to be a red candle so that the order block order block's resistance is out of the way. If it's a red candle, probably can buy the next candle. Again is risky trade, but you can probably buy the next candle. If it's not a red candle, so we'll have to wait for the red candle to form. Maybe it will form wherever. It could form here, it could form here, wherever. Wait for it, and then take your chance. Yep, there it is. There it is. Ah, come on. We almost had it, guys. We almost had it. This is if if red candle hasn't formed, wouldn't form, it should form a engulfing candle till here. That's difficult for it to do. Hmm, let's see. Our 1 hour पे something. See, no, 1 hour पे कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. 3 minutes में कुछ नहीं मतलब. This one is there. Let's see if this level gets tapped. Can take a little risk there. This market structure, guys. Maybe it does want to give us our entry after all. You know, let me mark the level. That risk will be um, will be till here 70 pips. See how any even if I want to decrease also, I'm not able to do this. But this would be a better level if it taps. So get ready, guys. Do it with a very low quantity because, as I told you, very risky. Tap, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. I just bought with a little quantity, just little quantity. Because my testing should also remain the same as you guys. Let's go, guys. Whoever entered, be okay. Risk-free level is a little outside the zone, but you can keep it till here, 50 pips ka risk. So when it comes to 50 pips, book half of your quantity, guys, because I told you very risky trade, but we are up 40 pips just in 2 3 seconds. Right, this market structure working pretty well, but this should be a red candle regardless. Then only we'll have a bigger upside move. In 2 minutes, it should form this to be a red candle. Then only we can see a bigger upside move. Okay, so don't worry if it comes back to our entry. I don't think it will. Just play around for a little bit over there. Yeah, I formed auto block in 1 minute also, so it will play around a little bit there. Then we can probably have a good candles towards the upside. Whoever entered be risk free at the 50 pips level. I think it has reached a little while ago. Just now it reached. Uh, it might come back to that. Be risk free because very risky rate. Let's hope for this to be a red candle for now. Then boom, we'll have a bigger. Let's see what the DXY is doing. Same point. It's all getting interesting. All time low. No, not all time low, but okay. Not that much decrease as we expected it, DXY. Maybe after Powell speaks, maybe we'll have some movement, but I don't want to be there when he speaks because it's very messy when he keeps talking. Anyway, 30 seconds to close this candle. It should not close below this level also. That would mean a risk for me also. So I might book my whole quantity if it closes below this level, below this level. I don't think it should. But if a red candle is formed, the next candle will be hilarious, will be good, will be upside, or maybe it will flow around for a little bit, but we'll have upside move. Let's go, guys. Red candle is formed. I hope you are risk free. We'll have a double bottom maybe, and probably this candle will be a positive candle for us. 700 up, so I think it should reach. 15 makes a candle only one way. I think we'll go. Be risk free, guys. Just 10 pips from the risk free level. 40 pips up. I think let's make my chart a little bit less messier. DXY seems to be increasing somehow, but gold stays along even though DXY is increasing, uh, holding its bullish character. Then we'll have something that, yeah, then we should be in this trade. Powell comes to talk in 4 minutes. Let's see what he has to say. Why? Look, we have expected the rate cuts, right? So the economy was falling a little bit behind, and rate cuts had to happen. And as it happened, the prices, which are already priced in, by the way, that is why we didn't see a bigger green candle because that is because they're already priced in. Gold has rallied from 3,350, where I'm still holding from. My target is 750, as I told you. 350, it rallied to 700 right now, which is extreme generational run. It happened because of expectations of this rate cut only. So as expectations was 4.25%, and it has matched our prediction forecast. Then the moment, even though it's volatile, it's not that much, right? So that's what's happening. So if you see this candle, the red candle that needed to be formed is formed. Why is this candle playing around here? It's because DXY is trying to move upside. So when this is moving upside and gold is trying to hold its position, it's telling you that I am bullish, but DXY is not letting me. So this is a very good place to be, I think, to be in the buying phase. So let's hold our position. We have closings that we don't expect to happen. Then we'll probably take out our position, right? Okay. But our 50% is booked here. I think we'll probably be fine if it even goes to our SL, right? It doesn't matter. But to I don't think that would happen. Let's see. Hmm, we will have a double bottom. EXY. XY getting its process up. Um, where could it fall from? If it goes to here, that would not be great for us. Not at all. The gold holding its position is what I'm liking here. We just missed the risk-free level by 10 pips. That's what I'm more frustrated about. Let's remove this. What are these things? this small trade that we did, 70 pips, which is a bigger trade, but it looks small over what the trade that we're doing currently. And this news trade, leave this one out of. I hope none of you did the news trade. I did a buy news trade and yeah, lost 40 pips. But as as this level tapped, we are golden, maybe. Hmm. Closing didn't happen below the green candle of this one, so still can be in this trade. Let's go, guys. Seeing some push. The XY might be falling. Let's go, guys. Let's go. If it, yeah, this could be one thing. Yeah. Come on, the XY. The XY giving heart attacks to us. Yeah, 12 a.m. Actually, it's 12 a.m. Let's see what news are we getting. Probably didn't want to be here for this, but Powell is already he's, he's saying the house market is falling off, so he had to cut the rates. How is crypto market doing, guys? I mean, I think yeah, nothing major as I expected. I expected something more from cryptos. But gold, guys, gold gave good rally, and it has broken its all-time high. Be risk free, guys. Be risk free. Are we risk free in this trade? Oh God, come on. You have to be risk free because I don't want to take make you take this 50 with castle in this risky market. But this is the good trade to be in both at the same time. Hmm, come on, come on. Okay, we had a internal liquidity sweep, guys, but oh, it's not looking good, huh? FBXY is, I think, going up. You can book the trade, guys. I mean, this trade you can book. The I mean, I probably would still recommend you to hold it because I probably don't think it would fall off from cliff from here. But I am booking the trade anyway. But for you to buy, guys, we can still look for the buy because this being a new scandal, we can look for a 60% level. Let's take a buy from there. This is the 60% level. If you are still from this trade, I hope you were risk free by any kind of means, but I know it was a risky trade. This could be a game changer. Still 60 pips. Let's see. Let's see, guys. I mean, 60% level, perfect. Let's wait for this level. And then uh, I think we probably should have this closing shouldn't happen below this. That could also be concerning a little bit. Or below 50% level. That's what I'm saying. You could also buy from these levels also, the current level it is in. But yeah, 60% level is being reached. Very risky, guys, but could take this trade. Let me make buy here. The only thing the selling is happening is because that uh, engulfing candle that has formed at the above level, it had not formed. It probably would have had a good run towards the upside. It's a 60% level about to reach. Has it reached? And we have a mark differently. Mm, Closing happening into the level 50 to 60% level. Not expecting that one, but let's see how it reacts to this. Can we do it after 1 minute? Yes, let's wait for the confirmation. It has touched, I think. Yeah, 60% level has been touched, but we do need some confirmation. And yes, I think yeah, DXY could fall from here. It could be good for gold. This could give a bull run. Yep, let's go, guys. Let's go. 60% level working pretty well. Yep, yep. There it is. There it is. Now we should wait for confirmation. We have yeah, bigger confirmations also. You can buy, and you can buy anywhere at this point. I think you can buy. You can buy, guys. The SL was higher. I know 50 pips SL, tha, but still. I have booked this trade by the way. Only 20% of my trade is running, and this trade be this free if you are in. You're in this trade. It could get double bottom. We will trying to get that double bottom. Mm, the XY doing some dances. Should have little bigger stop loss. If you have not entered this trade, you can enter now, guys. I mean, you can enter it at a discount rate. Probably better to enter in a discount rate. It would be better to enter here this 10 line cup. This would be the best trade. And I'm telling you to buy anywhere because DXY will fall in a little bit. This this is coming because we expected this move to happen, so that is why this move is coming. Yep. Trend line is tested. Good scalp. This one. Saying maximum employment and reporting changes. What is BTC doing? We're getting ads in money control, guys. What is happening? I'm watching it in the money control website. Sorry, YouTube channel. I'm getting ads over there. PVC not as expected. Yes, yes. Trend line cut trade working good. It would be just a scalp trade because I need to see the closing. If it closes below the 60% level, guys, do not touch buying from then on. Buying is only good if it's above 60% level. Below that, you can see selling. Selling is already happened. Let's see what will happen. Closing. The closing is what we need to observe in the 40 seconds. Uh, what is this? Closing. Let's see what will happen. I think closing is going to be below 60%, guys. So that will lead to taking out our buying trade. Let me charge my Mac. But you can take it out in the entry as well because it's just playing around at the entry level. Yes, guys. I mean, you can cut the trade at the entry level. Hmm. Can yes, you can actually uh, let's see if I can give you some good trades. But this entry, I think should have should have been out of this entry probably. We have this fair value gap. So mhm. So whatever you can book it at 40 or 50 pips. But buying is not recommended right now because it is close below the 60% level. Mhm. Could look selling after this level. Mm, I'm looking for selling level. Mm, looking for a selling level. I'm looking for it and it just went down. It's difficult for me to give that. Let's see. Let's see. Buying level tapped in market section. But can we buy? And you can scalp a little bit. 50 minutes, so you can literally scalp. We need to find a good selling level, good target this liquidity, and yeah, this is a better buying level, which could give us our 750 ka level maybe. Market structure. This could work out, but I don't think it will come to that level. Let's see. Let's see. Level tap, guys. Level tap. Buying level tap, but very risky. Very risky to buy at this level. If this closes in green candle, then next candle we can sell. I'll tell you why if it happens. If it happens, I'll tell you why. I don't think it is going to happen. If it doesn't happen, you can take a buying scalp. Not buying trade, but a buying scalp. You can take a buying scalp. You look at something like this. Mm, where do you put it? 100 with 100 with I think would be something that would be better. What do you there is? If it's rectangle. Okay, okay, guys. I mean, you can enter now. Sorry, if you already entered, good for you to see this screen in a couple of minutes, or you can enter right now. Also, it will be a double bottom. This would be a good trade. Yes, you can enter now. You can enter, but very risky. It's scalp. It's just a scalp. It's just a scalp. Okay, DXY is I think going to the moon. What is BTC doing? Yeah, BTC dumping. This is what I'm expecting from BTC, but also with bigger move, a little smaller. Yeah, uh, coming around at our entry. DXY not stopping. Very risky to take a buy here. But for us, selling level is not decided, guys. That is why we're trying to capture the buying scalp because our selling level is not decided. See, we're almost there. If we're not stopping, I think we should have sold after this one only, probably. But still could wait for it. We could wait for this 5 minute closing. I'm waiting for it because I know that it should give and buy still. I want to buy in gold only. And I would love to sell after the selling level is capped. Have we gone a little bit wrong over here maybe? I'm still in this trade. If you are still in this trade, it just missed at 10 bits more. Just that's all. Still in this, and I think this is a red candle. I'll stay. If this is a green candle, then I'll go. Just as simple as that. Mm, probably good that we booked our 50% here and for our others over around here. No? Where did I book? Yeah, somewhere over here. 75. Good. Mhm. And say if this closing happens above this level, out of this level, we are out, and it will probably be very fast. Right? If it closes just below this, I'm out just like that, and I'm losing nothing. Even below this also, I'm not going to stay out. I think it doesn't want me to stay. Okay. Uh, Sell from this level, guys. Short position, sell from here. Let's hope that happens. First, this would give us. Let's do this. Keep it. Please this. Let's do this. I'm convinced this would be best fit. Will we form a double bottom? I doubt it. I want this to be tapped. I want this to be tapped. 60 level. If it gets tapped, I'm going to sell with higher quantity. That to happen, let's see how can that happen. If we're reaching the moon right now, I want a good selling level in gold. I want this to close below this level, guys. If it closes below that level, we can't sell properly. You want to sell properly, then this is the level. This is the level. 60 level. Please, please keep going. Disappointing. Really disappointed. Gold is not disappointing. What we should have sold from here only. This engulfing candle. I mean, we were into bullish. That might be why we ignored our base strategies. But anyway, we're up a lot of pips today. Regardless, I need this. And to close below this, and I need this. Closing above this. A question asked to Powell. I asked if he would stay, if he would stay as a governor if he retires as a Fed chair. And he says, I'm not even thinking about that. Why are you asking me that question? And he's a great guy. Also. Closing below this, guys. A little difficult for us to sell from here. I mean, from here only we should sell. What that is the strategy. What to say from here only we should sell, but that is very risky. Do that from here. But probably you can do it, but I would not recommend this. This is our selling level. I want that to be tapped. Maybe it will, or maybe it will go from here. This level. That level also is a very good level. But if it comes back to here, guys, that would be the best for us. Just giving you all the possible things because this, I think, most of the traders are expecting to come to here for selling. So this would be the ideal case scenario, or this if volume is very higher. These are the two possible scenarios, and yeah, I think it's going pretty well. No? I've sold it. I sold it here and here also. When you get the trust of the game now, so it doesn't matter to you. And I'm going to be risk free. It is free. Yeah, so this is why is okay, sorry, this is the especially same thing. See what they will do from here. The juice is finished. Closing happened below, so I think we'll have a downside move. I think below that. And this is the level that I'm interested, and this would be the target. I mean, from here you could buy. This buying is here, right? So from here you could buy. No, not this much. I don't think that's what I was trying to say. I think I pulled that out in a higher time frame. So I decided to say that I don't need to do that much. Can do here. See, 55 pips. 55 pips is fine. We'll come to this level in this session this time because movement has been, especially the volume. Will tell us volume is there. Volume is still there. So let's see. Yeah. Hope you entered this trade. I mean, it was a risky trade, but that was the only level because this is already expected selling. So the intermediate selling, if not this, will be this only. Just simple math. Trying to form a green candle, then it might dump to our level, maybe below also. But I think below also possible it might fall below also. So this buying would be a little bit risky, but the selling is fine. Your stop loss is covering this level also. So I think it should be fine. But be risk free. I hope you're risk free. I mean, it tapped the risk free level a lot of times. Eh, Here is our risk free level. What 54 to I mean 46 to 54. I think I think around here is where our this is what do you call it risk free level. I hope you are risk free. Tapped a lot of times. Even if I don't tell you, you got to be risk 60 bits. Anyway, 50 bits, 60 bits doesn't matter because I think this channel will dump. Because if see, as I told, market is reacting to it. Mhm. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 620 incoming, 623 incoming. There's any buying level. There's 1 hour just opened up. It's good to consolidate here, guys, because 1 hour play there are order blocks and a lot of things. Consolidate here or could go up from this point, but I don't want it to. But if I don't want it to, uh, volume gotta be more than this, and the XY need to show it. Following is horrible. That's that gold will go up only. We are risk in the straight. Hmm. I think it will consolidate at this point. If you think about it, the market really didn't move. I mean, it's there and there only for gold because, as I told you, it's already priced in. 4.25% was already priced in. It was 4.5%, 4%, 50 points cut, then it would have been a big difference. I hope you're risky. So, because this level, I know there can be a little harsh hits. Because there is no 1 hour powder block. But selling only. After this selling, see, this level is going to tap. Sell. Our level is tapped. Here, I'm selling. This could be a scalp even till here. Till 50 from 60, 100 pips. Easy scalp. A lot of scalps we're getting this today. Very easy scalp that was only, I mean, it is 30 pips up from the level, 30 pips down. I mean, we need this to close below this and be risk free. This trade, risk free, this trade still in risk free at a little bit of time. Closing happened below only. closing below this level. Ooh, closing did happen as we expected. Yep, a lot of manipulation in the market, guys. But anyway, our profits are booked. We are risk free. Are you risk free on this trade? I mean, how many risk is there? Okay. So be risk free in this trade. But I don't think you should do it. I mean, from here only you should, मतलब closing happen above. Even though if it wants to go come down, I don't think it will because 1 hour it should form a bullish order block. Yeah, yes. 20 pips से book कर दें 20-30 pips पे. It would have been a great scalp if it goes below this. ठीक है, no pressure. Mm-hmm. Selling level should hold. Should hold for a little bit of time. Let's see. And, too late at this point, but overall level पे we did a good pips, guys. I mean, we booked 400 pips, 50%, and 200 pips. I think at 100, मतलब, another 50%. Overall पे 300 pips, and we lost 40 pips here, 40 to 50 pips here. So 250 pips per day. I mean, it could have been more, but yeah, 2 pips per day. This selling level could work out. Stay for a little bit. I'm expecting consolidation here. So, yeah, but overall, a good day, guys. Uh, yeah, but the foundation trade that we took 350 is it is giving us the generation run, and I know even from this level or from this level, it will go up to 350, 750. And from there only, I want to sell the market because this is not a great, this is not the level of selling. That is not the good level of selling. Neither is this. The good level of selling is this because the 50% was forming at a good level. We've observed this Fibonacci play, and that is why we are doing this. Okay. We have a double bottom here, but this selling could still hold. Mm, 50 to 60%. Probably here we can expect another selling, but will it go to that much? That is the question. Okay. Drop you out of this trade, guys. I told you to trade out of this trade because the closing happened above. Told you to book it 30, 20, 30 pips. Hmm. That's all. Take care. And probably, it will probably consolidate for a little bit right now. Mhm. Expecting selling only, guys. Look, I don't think it will go to 50%. 50% is already showing that is such that says you should sell from whatever level you can, right? So selling is a good level to be in right now. And the closing happened below. Also, this is not a great level of buying as well. Buying is also okay. Buying is okay. It's okay level, not that bad, but still not the best level to buy from. This is the level we're expecting. Okay, so our trade still holding on. We are out of it anyway. So yeah, guys, selling पे focus करना. I hope. I don't think it will come back to the 50% again. Maybe it will fall from some intermediate levels from here only. Maybe I'm in selling, brother. I'm in selling. I'm selling from this level, and this level, this level. I averaged around here only, around this level. I'm averaged down 58 because I know this is going to go into selling only. Okay, that's all, guys. Bye bye. Take care. I'll have my stills placed, these placed. Told you this rate cut TP is here. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Come back tomorrow with the same motivation. But tomorrow we can expect a little more volatility and price action. So we'll do good trades tomorrow. See, expected move, but it will consolidate a little bit, and then we'll have our expected move this week. And if it comes to this level, try to buy after confirmation because market structure currently is not holding that much. Well, reverse market structure is holded here. As you can see, this is the reverse market structure trade that we took. Reverse market structure has holded, but market structure, this was the market structure before night, it didn't hold. So what I'm trying to say is reverse market structure is holding, so could happen in both complexes. I mean, it could fall from here. Gold has rallied a lot. So this could be the selling that gold needs. And also higher time frames it formed a double top. Overall also yeah. Overall also it formed a double top. I still think there is see, this is a 4 hour level buying level also. That is why going down from this level is little bit difficult. It will happen, but it will happen tomorrow probably. So this whatever the low is, it's good. So you can be in selling, but you will be stuck in consolidation. I mean, I think we captured the. I mean, I have captured the. Yeah, I think I captured it. I captured 100 pips. Okay. So was a little risky trade. I started to get out because the closing happened above. Only that was the reason. But we got it. I should not have told you to get out. I'll book this trade right now because this is a good level to buy from and 4 hour also. Even though I don't want to buy from here, so I'm getting out. I'm done. Yep, that's good. Okay. So yeah, guys, good day. Captured more than 400 pips. Personally, and that is all. Take care. Bye bye. Uh, Trade with Mazay, and don't trade in news. In news, it's always difficult to trade. So keep that in mind and trade with Mazay, guys. And the less this level is to buy here, but I don't want to do it. If you want to, then you can. Okay, bye bye. Take care. We missed this selling trade from here. I mean, we were into buying. Our trade worked out very well. This one, we've some somehow that clouded our judgment. But even buying pay, we captured 400 pips is a generational thing, guys. Okay, see, I told you, buying करो इधर से उड़ रहा है market उधर से. Lot of scalps that you could do, but it will consolidate here. I told you it will consolidate here. मतलब रात हो गया है. ठीक है. Bye bye guys. Take care. Bye bye. Good day today. Let's hope we keep it up for the week. Uh, I'm not posting a lot of trades in the group because I told you ki there will be a foundational run, which is this one, and the price action will continue to come. It's just checked in price action. See now we have some market structure to trade with, but before we didn't have anything, right? So we were discussing that in the last stream. Now we have. So I'll keep the streams regular. This was the foundational run. It might be over at this point, but hoping the 750 still. Uh, I will book my 350 3,350 ka trade after confirmation at some of these levels, right? After that only I will confirm, but I'm thinking still it will go to this. Yeah, well, we'll see, right? Because there's a trend line also. I'm seeing that. I know when I've drawn it. ठीक है. Okay, guys. ठीक है. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. To take buying scalps at this point. They are little non-risky than selling trades, right? Okay. Take care. Trade with Mazen. Good night. Bye bye. And please do subscribe to our channel, Telegram, and both Telegram and YouTube channel where we post trades every day. Almost we try to post trade every day. And the foundational run that was something else. BTC pe I want to show you. This is a buying level that are marked, and this is a very higher time frames का buying level है. Mark कब किया है मैंने? I recently only marked this, hoping for it to go to 127, no 127, no 125 only. This one. So let's see if that happens because I need liquidity below this levels to do this. And I've entered here somewhere on 14 पे कुछ enter किया था. 1 hour पे देखते हैं. This is the tip. Higher time frames I have put it. My selling level missed by a little bit. ठीक है. Bye bye guys. Take care. Take care.